What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Ford Hour. Today you got me, Solomon, here, and we're going to be working on the B100. So what I wanted to do was give it a little bit of a lighting upgrade. So we have the KC lights, 7-inch H4 halogen headlights. So we're going to be installing these, and then I also have these corner lights because these are all jank and busted, so we got some fresh ones. And we've got these lights to replace that one because those are also boring and jank. So I'm going to show you guys how to swap all that stuff out right now. Enjoy seeing it. Alright, got both of those installed. Now we're going to move on to the fronts. The front is a flat bit, so I'm going to go grab one of those. That turned out super nice. Check it out. So we installed these side markers, installed the front markers, and then we put in the KC lights 7-inch. Went really smooth. Probably took about 20 minutes, 30 minutes for everything. And right now I've got a alignment appointment so I can get this thing to drive straight down the road. So we're gonna take you along. Alright guys, so we just made it over here to 5-star alignment. This is where I come to do all my alignments because they know what they're doing. They've been in here forever. So we got her up on here. Nick's gonna be getting it right, making sure that this truck actually can drive straight with the twin I-beams. So I might show you a little bit about what he does. Depends on if I'm in his way or not. Hopefully I'm not, and then I can show you guys. So we'll see you in the next clip.
Pretty much on these Fords, when you put a lift kit on them, they go way positive, the camber. So right now with these I-beams, to do some modification, what you want to do is maybe cut the arms in half and extend the arms to bring it more negative. Because right now, the camber is way positive because of these arms. You know, once you do the lift kit on them, they go way positive. So what you want to do is some type of modification, maybe is to extend this arm, to take it out on the bottom and bring it more negative.
So today though, are we gonna be able to make it a little bit better?
Yeah, I'll be able to set the toe for you, get the tires nice and straight. But other than that, there's nothing much I can do more until we start doing some type of modification.
Yeah. Well, Hutch, if you're watching, sounds like we need to do your I-beam kit. So let me know what's up. All right, guys. So just finished up over here at the alignment shop. They pulled the truck outside after doing their test drive, and it's not the greatest news. He definitely fixed it, so it's better than it was. But here is the sheet. One second, let me just get into the shade so I can explain to you guys what happened. So, as you could see, these were my before measurements. Really not that great. At least he got them a little bit better. He really did a lot on the toe. That's kind of the only thing he was able to do. But the caster, the driver's side needs to move forward a little bit. There's a bracket, and the rear or the passenger needs to move back, and then the A-arm or the twin I-beams need to be bent and moved out. 1 3/4 on the passenger and 1 1/4 on the driver. And I already hit up Hutch because he makes his own beam kits that kind of fix these issues. So we're gonna see, maybe I'm gonna get one of his beam kits, put it on here. But for now, at least it drives straighter. He said he took it down the road and it drives straight. So at least it does that. The camber is annoying because it's wearing the tires, but it is what it is. So right now I am gonna be heading back over to the shop, and we'll see you guys when we get there. All right guys, so just got back over to the shop, stopped into Napa to get some stuff, but I really wanted to clean up the taillights also, and they're just hazy and old, and I didn't order new ones. So what I did was went to Napa, got some 800 and 1000 grit sandpaper, some clear coat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop these off, I'm gonna sand them, get them all nice and clean, then re-clear coat them and install it. And honestly, that should do the trick. I've done that in the past, so I'm gonna take you guys along and just show you how I do it. All right guys, so first step for me is 800 grit, get a little bit of water and just wet sand it, try to get it all clean. So gonna do that right now. All right, so now that I got those all clean, I'm gonna be using some of this clear coat. I'm gonna spray on 3 different coats and let it chill for about 5 minutes between each coat. So here we go. All right, so after giving that a couple of coats, brought it inside to let it dry. So it's gonna dry up, and then we're gonna reinstall it on the back of the truck. And that's where we're gonna end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if you can, smash that like button. If you have any questions, comments, drop them down below. What's your opinion? What do you think I should do for the front? Should I try to fix those I-beams, put an axle under the front, make it 4-wheel drive? Not really too sure. As always, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to get some cool merch, head over to fordera.com. Got hats, t-shirts, keychains, all types of stuff. And we'll see you guys in the next one.